Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about linear graphs. A line graph consists of bits of line segments joined consecutively. Sometimes the graph may be a whole unbroken line. Such a graph is called a linear graph. To draw such a line, we need to locate some points on the graph sheet. We will now learn how to locate points conveniently on a graph sheet. The location of a point. The teacher put a dot on the blackboard. She asked the students how they would describe its location. There were several responses. The dot is in the upper half of the board. The dot is near the left edge of the board. The dot is very close to the left upper corner of board. Can anyone of these statements help fix the position of the dot? No. Why not? Think about it. John then gave a suggestion. He measured the distance of the dot from the left edge of the board and said the dot is 90 cm from the left edge of the board. Do you think John's suggestion is really helpful? A1, A1, A2, A3 are all 90 cm away from the left edge. A is 90 cm from the left edge and 160 cm from the bottom edge. Rekha then came up with a modified statement. The dot is 90 cm from the left edge and 160 cm from the bottom edge. Then solved the problem completely. The teacher said, we describe position of this dot by writing it as 90 160. Will the point 160 90 be different from 90 160? Think about it. The 17th century mathematician René Descartes, it is said, noticed the movement of an insect near a corner of a ceiling and began to think of determining the position of a given point in a plane. His system of fixing a point with the help of two measurements, vertical and horizontal, came to be known as Cartesian system in his honor. Coordinates. Suppose you go to an auditorium and search for your reserved seat. You need to know two numbers, the row number and the seat number. This is the basic method of fixing a point in a plane. Observe in figure 15.12 how the point 34, which is 3 units from left edge and 4 units from the bottom edge, is plotted on a graph sheet. This is 3 units, this is 4 units, this one 3, 4. The graph sheet is itself a square grid. We draw the x and y axis conveniently and then fix the required point. 3 is called the x coordinate of the point, 4 is the y coordinate of the point. We say that the coordinates of the point are 3, 4. Plot the point 4, 3 on a graph sheet. Is it the same as the point 3, 4? No, it is different. It is 3, 4 and this one is 4, 3. Result 4 is from figure 15.14. Choose the letters that indicate the location of the points given below. 2, 1, this is the 2. This point is 2, 2 and 1. E point. 0, 5, 0, 5, this is the B point. 2, 0, 2, 0, that is 2 and 0, this is the point 2, 0. Also write the coordinates of A. The coordinates of A is this one is 4 and this one is 5, 4, 5. The coordinates of F, this is F, that is it is 5.5 and 0. Like this, you can find all this. Plot the following points and verify if they lie on a line. If they lie on a line, name it. 0, 2, 0, 2, this is 0, 2, this is 0, 3.5, this is 0, 5, that is 0, 6. It is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, right? In this you can find the various values. Here you see, this is 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, right? And this one is 6, 2, 5, 3, 3, 5, 2, 6, and make a graph like this, right? Note that each of these above cases graph obtained by joining the plotted points is a line. Such graphs are called linear graphs. Now we shall discuss the exercises in the next video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.